tried right by my side to draw my attention to you, but you understand that I really can't come in touch with you. But if you really will, if you want me still, I'll tell you what you have to do. Well, clap your hands and stamp your feet, and I'll come running, 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 baby. Well, clap your hands and stamp your feet, and I'll come running, running to you, baby. Well, he walked up to me and he asked me if I wanted to dance. He looked kinda nice, and so I thought I might take a chance. When we danced, he held me tight. When he walked me home that night, all the stars were shining bright, and then he kissed me. Each time I saw him, I couldn't wait to see him again. I wanted to let him know that he was more than a friend. I didn't know just what to do, so I whispered, I love you. He said that he loved me too, and then he kissed me. Sunday morning, up with a light, I think I'll take a walk in the park. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. I've got someone waiting for me, and when I see him, I know that he'll say, hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Ha, 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 beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me, oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain on a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? And I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?